guys. Today is the first day of Muhurat trading. So this is new Samvat. We are going to do a start of a trade in Tata Consumer. So this is the stock I have rounded up to buy today, to invest some money today, and I hope this stock will provide me a very good return in the coming year. This is a very fundamentally very good stock. Tata Consumer Products is a FMCG company, means doing solidly well. Let's see, means 829. So let us put the order at around 828.50 or 829, because today the volumes will be very low, because not a big amount of traders will do Muhurat trading. So mostly the businessmen, means the traders who consider trading as a business, only those people will come and do Muhurat trading. So Muhurat trading is very special, and unfortunately most of our fellow traders, they don't consider trading as a business. Means trading is like a pastime for them, or like a additional income or extra income than their regular job. Even they are doing that, they should consider this as a business. And today is a very auspicious day. Today is a Lakshmi Puja day. So today is a very auspicious day to start a new investment. So the Muhurat trading has already started. So you know that I am on a different time zone. So if the time is 9 o'clock here in India, the time is 6:30. So the market has already opened, and at 6:15. So now it is 15 minutes after opening. So the price is fluctuating around 828.30 and 828.75. Let us put the order for 828.50. 828.05 means like it moves like that, because today is Muhurat trading, right? Means the volume will be very low. Very few people trade, as I told. So normally, means Muhurat trading, nobody puts limit order. Okay, everybody buys with market order. For the current time, don't go by my computer time. The current time is mentioned here. This is the 5 paisa trade station interface. I wanted to show you the interface for you to see, means how everything works. Now the rates have fairly settled down. The Nifty is up by 105 points. Generally, a few years before, like during Muhurat session, the market was closing in negative. So, but at least for last 3-4 years, I think either the Muhurat session, the market is mildly positive to good positive. So not in negative. Okay. As the markets are now very close to the higher side, so now all this corona, everything is getting over, so we might hold this level for today. Sea of green in the portfolio. This has been like this for some time, means these positions. So we have sold stock strangles on 3 stocks: HDFC Bank, Hindustan Unilever, and Infosys. So 3 stocks we have sold strangles. So all the strangles are doing really well. So we are at about 24 and half, 24,600 rupees of profit. Our premium collection was somewhere about 37,000, 38,000 rupees. So on a 38,000 rupees, I am already at 24,600 rupees of profit. We have just started the month. So most probably next week I will be closing this trade and then moving to December month, because now if I move to December month, I can collect a huge amount of premium. So this week or this month has been started good in this regard. Means there are other trades which went negative. Like I had a USD INR trade which closed in the max loss of about 14k. So those also happens, but such good things also happen. So this is very important to keep the risk diversified. Okay, let's do a market order. I am going to buy for 10,000 rupees. So let's say, I'll say market order is 828.3. So 10,000 divided by 828.3, that is the price. So it's about 12 stocks, 12.07 stocks. So I can buy 12 stocks. So this is the start of my long purchase. Hopefully means frequent, regular and long term purchases of Tata Consumer. I pray God to be with us during this year and the coming years, and let the market be with us, and we will continue to make good amount of money. Let's start. Let's buy NSE, delivery, buy, regular, market. Let's buy market. 12 quantity. It does not go. If it is 1 rupee more, like it will be 12 rupees more for the order. It's no need to be very choosy during Muhurat session. We are not doing intraday trading and seeing a premium of option trading and seeing the premium of 1 rupee and 2 rupees like that, right? Means we are investing money for a longer term. So let us buy at market. Okay. So it can show any amount of margin. So don't worry about just the margin. What is shown here is very less. So don't worry about that margin. So just go by the amount what is we got. So the current price is 828.50. So 828.50 into 12. So it's about 9,940, about 10,000 rupees. Consider 10,000 rupees. You see the price has not moved, means it is still there. Means the volume will be very low. So the price will be like this only. The moment I do market, the price will jump. It is 828, so the price will jump to 828.45. So today is the day for buying, not for selling. Let's do this. Offer is 128.5. Yeah, bid is 128.4, which is good. 12 stocks. Let's buy. Done. So trades. Tata Consumer 12 quantity has been already purchased. So if anyone has done it with me, I have already posted in the premium group. So if anyone has taken this trade with me, congratulations. Let's put it like this. Yep, 828.5. So 12 stocks. These 12 stocks will come to my account by about Tuesday or Wednesday. So does not matter. The purchase has been made. So I have started the year with Tata Consumers 12 stock buy in NSE at market price. So thank you very much for being with me. May the markets be with you. Signing off, this is JR. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video. Thank you.